if someone has WPW, you'll catch it when they're 6 years old. There are rare scenarios where the ECG may change. So a dormant pathway may be there that doesn't show up at an early age and then shows up later. We've seen that. Those aren't common cases, but that does happen. This is why some countries, Italy, Japan, they've been doing this for decades. They do multiple ECG checks as a child grows. And so just like when you go to the pediatrician and when you do your routine physical exam, well child check, they assess your eyesight every single time, right? Like that, there are developmental changes. And so these countries have figured this out and pretty much mandate for certain ages, you get an ECG. It's just another screening test that you do to look for these certain conditions, which seem rare, but it's really not that rare. If you think about many of the pediatric conditions that people worry about, pediatric cancer and other things, these electrical conditions of the heart are actually much more common. So it's approximately 1 in 300. People worry about flagging too many people and just causing undue alarm or undue testing, unnecessary testing because you flag too many. And so we've come up, and the international societies have come up with a specific reading criteria for athletes, for younger individuals, to make sure our flag rates are low. And if done in the right way, the flag rate is less than 3%.